Take a moment to check out the 2026 Toyota Tacoma. This rugged Tacoma has the features and attitude to answer your spirit's call for adventure. Engineered to meet the demands of the trail, its off-road heritage underpins its tough capability, while its modern technology keeps you safe, connected, and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, lane departure warning, keyless entry, heated front seat, remote engine start, fog lamps, heated mirrors. Whether you're looking for a versatile connected utility vehicle or an off-road adventure machine, this Tacoma is ready for the task. Our expert staff is trained to give you every advantage. Stop in for a test drive today.